Your live Doppler 8 First Alert weather.
Welcome back. We're starting off with a look over the day track over the Lake of the Ozarks, where there's starting to be a few clouds building up over the area. But as we can see from our live Doppler 8 First Alert radar, right now throughout the viewing area, we have a mostly clear sky. Temperatures across the area are starting to drop fairly rapidly because of that. 55 degrees in St. Louis as well as on to Kansas City. A bit cooler though, 50 degrees in the West Plains and on to Springfield. A bit closer to home though, we have temperatures in the low 50s. In fact, right now it's 52 in the capital, 54 degrees in Sedalia, and then 52 is the trend on into Marshall, Brunswick, and Chillicothe as well. Right here at the Columbia Regional Airport, though, we're checking in at a temperature of 50 degrees with a pretty high humidity. Right now it's 77%, helping to help those clouds grow and move on into the area with a strong wind, though, coming in from the south-southeast consistently from about 15 to 20 miles per hour. Today, though, we were pretty on par for average temperatures for this time of year. We reached a high of 58 degrees, and then this morning a bit warmer than usual, woke up to 42 degrees. One area of concern, though, is we are about 4¼ inches below where we usually should be for this time of year. However, come the start of next week, we're hoping to bring that average or that total closer to average. Right now, our satellite and radar shows walls of clouds growing from south to north. Right now, those clouds are in Kansas City, but come within the next couple hours, we're going to start seeing them building into mid-Missouri and sticking along for tomorrow as well. That's due in part to a low pressure system moving toward our area. That cold front is bringing along a southerly breeze, which is pushing up moisture and also bringing in those strong southerly winds. So you're going to want to make sure that if you go out tomorrow that you're extra careful if you wear a hat. Taking a look though at that precipitation forecast, as we move our way on through tonight and on into tomorrow morning, we're going to have a patch early on in the morning of some sunshine, followed by very quickly by a large amount of clouds. In fact, by about this time tomorrow night, our entire viewing area should see a large cloud deck moving in. Tomorrow morning, if you're up early, you'll be running into a few showers and thunderstorms. However, it won't be until later on Monday that you'll really start seeing those widespread showers. Tonight, though, we're going to be bottoming out with the temperature of 45 degrees over a partly cloudy sky and some strong winds coming in from the south at 25 miles per hour. Those strong, gusty southerly winds are going to be sticking around tomorrow, along with those clouds, bringing us to a high temperature of only 64 degrees, so another 60-degree day. However, it's going to be Monday through Wednesday that we're really concerned about in terms of rain. Monday and Tuesday is going to be bringing along a chance for thunderstorms. Wednesday carrying on a few of those showers, but for the most part mostly cloudy. But then come Thursday and Friday and on into next weekend, we're going to be seeing that cold front coming through, clearing up those clouds, but leaving behind some temperatures only reaching in the mid-50s.
Oh yeah, it's starting to get colder then.
Exactly, cold and wet. Make sure to remember that umbrella as you work your way out the door on Monday.
Yeah, I'll try not to forget.